back with a new video. In this video, we are mainly focusing activities in the paperboat, like thoughts of the fat boy, travelogue, description about your family, and other activities included in the unit paperboat. So, we have already gone through unit paperboat. We have read the story. Who are the characters of the story? Yes, you are correct. Anna, the fat boy, and Aunt Arundhati. Do you remember the story? What was Anna doing? Anna was launching a paperboat. Her paperboat sailed down the stream swiftly and proudly. A fat boy was there. He pounced on one of her paperboats. Her face was red with anger. She was very angry. She ran to the home, but the fat boy didn't mind Anna's angry face. Somebody was resting in the armchair. Who was that? Yes, Aunt Arundhati. Did she complain about the fat boy? She pouted her lips. Aunt Arundhati said, I will make few more paperboats for you as well as for the fat boy. Hesitantly, Anna walked towards the stream. She handed over not so good paperboats to the fat boy. Then what happened in the story? Can you sequence the events? What comes first? What happened next? Then what happened? Can you sequence the events? See this picture. Anna handed over not so good paperboats to the boy. And boy stood watching. Anna was launching again her paperboat. Something horrible happened. The paperboat get caught to a heap of mud and stones. You remember. Then what did the boy do? Boy jumped into the stream and he pulled out the boat out of the water. He handed over the paperboat to Anna. See the picture? Then what happened? They looked at each other, both smiled, and they became very good friends. So, the story Paperboat reveals a true friendship. A simple paperboat generates a true friendship among Anna and the fat boy. I have some questions for you. Are you ready to give the answers? Can you read these words? See. Read. Horrible. Pounce. Splash. Naughty. How many words are there? Yes, 4. Dear students, can you recall the words now? Take a box like this. Just write and paste the important words in the unit and keep one side blank. Then recall the words. Are you ready? This is a memory apparatus. You can familiarize the most important words in a unit very effectively through this. Now, next question. See this word. Can you identify the word end with Y? The word end with SH. The words start with P. The words end with E. Which is the word repeating the same letters? Okay, very good. You have completed the activity successfully. Don't you remember Aunt Arundhati? She made few more paperboats for the fat boy. Few more. More than one. Not one paperboat. What is this? And this boat, a leaf, a home, a tree, isn't it? A boat, few more boats. Same way, a leaf, 3 leaves, a home, 4 homes, a tree, 3 trees. Now it's a single boat. More than one. It is called plural. This is a card. Card, cards. Boat, boats. Home, homes. Pencil, pencils. Book, books. So which letter we are adding? Yes, yes. Now it's your turn. Just read single one and form plural forms. Tree, trees. Home, homes. Paper, papers. Try. You have one activity in the textbook related to singular and plural forms. Tree, trees. Boy, boys. Here we add yes. Now see. Fairy. What is the plural form? Fairies. Fairy, fairies. Y is removed and I is added. Shall we see some more examples? Fairy, fairies. Y is removed and IES is added. Can you say cherry? How may be this? Cherries. Try. City? Cities. Now this one. Butterfly? Yes. Butterflies. I am giving some more examples for you. Just to keep 2-3 pages for writing singular and plural forms of many words. Here it is, more examples. Take your notebook and write the singular forms and the plural forms of the words. Plenty of examples are given in the slide. You can refer the slides. Also, you can draw pictures related to this. See these words? Here we add S. Here IES. Y is removed and IES is added. Now see these words. Dish, fox, glass, box, bench. What is the specialty of these words? Here, to form plural of these words, we are adding ES. Benches, benches, boxes, glasses, foxes, dishes, glass. See these ending words. SH, CH, X, SS. In these words, we are adding ES. Dishes, benches, foxes, glasses to form plural. But what about these two words? Knife, leaf. Here we are removing F and we are adding VES. Knives, leaves, loaves, thief, thieves, wife, wives. I think you got a clear-cut idea about singular forms and plural forms of the words. Now you go through your textbook and you can find many words and you should write the plural forms of those words in your notebook. See, now we are going to the next activity and it's about your family. And it is a description. See the family tree. Just draw a family tree in your notebook and you should write the members in your family. I think you have drawn a family tree in your book. Write down your family members' names in these columns. Your grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, your sisters, brothers, and your name. You can also mention your pet animal's name. How we can start description about your family? Your name, your parents' name. My father is. My mother is. My elder brother is a doctor. My sister is in 7th standard. My mother is a teacher or my mother is a housewife. My pet animal is parrot. My family is situated near the temple. Whether your family is small or big, you can also mention that. Whenever you get time, you do this work. So we are moving on to the next activity and that's a really interesting activity and it is thought of fat boy. Every human being have the power to think, imagine things. Different moments gives us different emotions. Sometimes we will be very happy, sometimes we will be very sad, very upset, sometimes we will be very angry. When you write each and every moment in your life to a page, that becomes your thoughts. It includes your emotions, your feelings, your reflections, your mood, everything. Your views, your opinions, your visions will come in that. Now you are going to write thoughts of the fat boy. What we have to include in the thoughts? His reflections, his thoughts, his feelings, how was the mood of the day. You can add everything. The fat boy destroyed Anna's paperboat, isn't it? What was his reflection about that incident? You can start his thoughts with that incident. Don't forget to add the experience of our fat boy when he got paperboat from Anna, when he saved Anna's paperboat, and the mood or emotion of the fat boy when they became good friends. Now, another interesting work for you, and it is a travelogue. Don't fear about the word travelogue. It's very simple. Write up about your journey. Always you have used to go to some journeys, some travels. Not now, it's Corona period. But before you may have gone to some places. From the school, from your home, with your friends. You have gone to some places, some tripping. Do you remember the time? Can you recall the scenes? Where did you go? When did you go? Who were with you? What did you see there? Which site did you like the most? How did you go? By bus or by train? Which transport? How was the trip? What food did you have? Okay, now it's easy for you to write upon the journey. First you write individually, refine your write-up. Okay, why should you write this travelogue? Why should you write a description? I should voice someone. Did you notice the usage? Why should in your unit? Why should you make paperboats for him? Why should you write this description? You have to learn. Fat boy can ask, why should you give paperboats for me? Anna can ask, why should you save the paperboat from the stream? Usage, why should? Why should I care? Why should I play? Why should I launch? Why should I study? More examples here. Write it in your notebook. I think you got an idea about the usage why should. You can prepare more sentences using the usage why should. Now concluding, dear students, I won't say do these all works today itself. Revisit this video again and again. Recurrence makes a man perfect. Thank you.